In this video, I'm just going to show you how to create a Discord server. If this video does help you out today, then please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So I'll be doing this today using the Discord app, but you can do this on the web-based version, or if you have the app on your phone, like an Android or iOS device. The buttons are the same, they might just be in a bit of a different place. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Discord. And once that's loaded up, what you're going to want to do is on the application or the web-based version, you'll have this kind of menu on the left-hand side with all your servers. And what you want to do is click onto this plus button here, which says to add a server. And then you can go ahead and choose whether to create your own, or there are some templates set up. So if you wanted to set one up specifically for gaming, you can use one of the pre-made templates. In this example, I'm just going to start from scratch, so I'm going to click on to create my own. And then what Discord is going to do is basically ask some questions just to adjust your server. So if it's going to be quite a small server, just really for your friends, then you want to select the top option. But if you're doing this for like a club or more of a bigger community, you want to select the bottom option. If you're not really too sure, you can just skip this question, so you can click this underneath to skip the question. But in today's example, I'll be selecting the top one for me and my friends. And then after that step, what's going to happen is you're going to be given the option to customize your server. So what you can do from here is actually upload a profile picture for your server. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that now. Okay, so I've added my picture. And what I can do is name my server as well. So I could call it something like Digital Tutors server. Don't worry about this too much for now. If you don't know what to do, you can just put something for now. You can change this later on anyway. It's no problem. Make sure as well that you do everything within Discord's community guidelines, just so you don't receive a ban or have your server shut down or anything like that. Once you've done this, so you just want to go ahead and click the blue create button down here, and that's going to go ahead and set that all up for you. So you'll see that's now set up ready to go. That's been added to my server list, and what I can do straight away is start inviting people. So to do that, you will be given a button here which says invite your friends, or you can click the blue invite people button up here, and once you click that, that's going to generate a invite link, which you can just copy and paste and send to your friends. Now, by default, this does last for 7 days, the link. If you want to change that, you can click onto the edit invite link underneath, and you can choose when you want the link to expire, and the maximum number of uses, and grant temporary membership. So you can go through those options and customize it as you see fit. And what's going to happen, it's going to automatically generate a text channel and voice channel. So what you can do is actually right click onto either of these. And then if you come down and click onto edit channel, you can actually change the name of the channels. So I could put something like welcome channel. And then just give a brief description of the channel topic. So what that channel is about. So introduce yourselves here. And once you've done that, all you want to do is click this green save changes pop-up like so. You can set some other settings from here, like you can turn it into an NSFW channel if you want to. So you can go through the different options and view that in more detail. But once you're happy, you just want to go ahead and click the escape button. You can see that's been edited and changed there. What you can do is add new channels as well. So what you're going to want to do is just basically click the plus button next to either the text or voice channel. And it's going to come up with the create channel button, and you can choose whether to do a text channel or voice channel. So if we go for text channel, and I'm just going to call this Hangout Corner. You can make channels private as well, which means this would be limited to only select members that have permissions to view that channel. Again, this is only really a basic tutorial, so if you want to find out more information, then obviously you can go onto Google and search further into that. But yeah, you would just literally do that and click on to create channel. And you can see it's as easy as that. That's how you go ahead and create different channels. Also, if you come up to the top left hand corner, so this here where it says the name of the server, and give that a click, you're going to get a list of options like so. And if you come down and click onto server settings, you can actually go through and customize your server further. So what I'd recommend you do when you first set up your server is just come to this settings page and just go through and select some of the options which you want. So you can set things up like to send a random welcome message when someone joins your server. For example, you can turn that off for one. You can do things like inactive channels. You know, there's a lot of different things you can do. So just have a look through this and get familiar with all the different options. And then once you're set up ready to go, as I say, what you can do is invite your friends. Obviously copy the link and paste it, or edit the invite if you want the invite link to last longer than 7 days. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the basics of how to create a server on Discord. So I hope you did find that helpful. As I say, if that did help you out, then please leave a like and maybe drop a comment below saying that this helped you out. And I'll see you in the next one.